LifeNote AI is one of the latest AI tools to hit the market, and it's making waves for all the right reasons. Whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or simply looking to stay ahead of the curve with the best AI software, this review is packed with the essential details you need to know. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether LifeNote AI is worth your time. Let's dive into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software. First, LifeNote AI stands out because it's designed to simplify your workflow by combining multiple AI features into one platform. It's not just another note-taking app. LifeNote uses advanced algorithms to automatically summarize, analyze, and even generate content based on your notes. This makes it perfect for people who want to save time while maintaining quality and productivity. One of the biggest selling points is its natural language processing capabilities. LifeNote AI doesn't just take what you type and display it. It processes your notes intelligently, recognizing context, understanding nuances, and giving you relevant insights. This is a huge leap from traditional note-taking software, where you end up with just raw data that requires hours of manual input and organization. The software is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be an AI expert to make the most of LifeNote AI. Its clean interface makes it easy to navigate, and setting up your account takes only a few minutes. Plus, it's cloud-based, so you can access your notes from anywhere, anytime, without worrying about losing data. Another impressive feature is the AI-powered reminder system. This feature doesn't just alert you about upcoming tasks. It learns your habits and prioritizes reminders based on your behavior. So, instead of receiving generic reminders, you get notifications that align with your specific needs, helping you stay organized without feeling overwhelmed. For content creators, this tool is a game changer. LifeNote AI can take your initial ideas, brainstormed notes, or partial drafts and generate full-length articles or outlines in a matter of seconds. This is an absolute time saver, especially for marketers and writers who need high-quality content quickly. LifeNote AI also integrates well with other tools. Whether you're using Google Drive, Trello, or other project management apps, LifeNote can sync seamlessly with them, allowing you to pull in information, keep track of deadlines, and collaborate with your team more effectively. And here's the kicker. You can try LifeNote AI for free from the link in the description below. Yes, you heard that right. No strings attached. This is a fantastic opportunity to get hands-on with the software before committing. But here's the catch. As with any tool, LifeNote AI isn't perfect for everyone. While it's a powerhouse for productivity and content creation, if you're looking for a highly specialized AI for a specific industry, it may not fully meet your needs. However, for the average user who's looking to boost efficiency, streamline workflows, and generate content effortlessly, it's an incredible tool. So, what's my final verdict? If you're someone who wants to take advantage of the latest AI tech to optimize your productivity, streamline your tasks, and create quality content in no time, LifeNote AI is a must-try. Don't miss out on the opportunity to test it for free using the link below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've also got some of my recommended software in the description you can try. Everything from content generators to project management assistants. So, don't forget to check that out if you're looking to level up your digital game. Thanks for watching, and make sure you don't miss out on the free trial to see if LifeNote AI is the right fit for you.